Fuck that shit, man. I look stupid.
I don't.
No one's gonna take this video serious.
But fuck it. I fucked your girl, no, I gave her dope dick. Pulled on her head, then I switched to grab her throat quick. Can fuck her fast or hit her with that slow shit. Record it, then post it. I got a big dick. Ask your girl, she knows this. I can love. That part of me is broken. I can't cope, so I'm always fucking smoking.
Alright. I said, on these drugs, they've been telling me to slow down. I would never quit for you, I hope you fucking know now. I smoke loud, I snort pills every day, I smoke down. I fucking hate life, I can barely fucking cope now. My life has went so south. I've been trying to change, but I really just don't know how. Tell me what you know about. Tell me what you know about this lifestyle. Man, this lifestyle that I'm living, wouldn't believe them. Told you that I was different. If I get in my feelings, would you even listen? I'm sitting reminiscing on the good days. Now I have no position. Think about the doctor visits where they told me that I finally got addicted. People steady dissing, niggas want me dead. They're trying to catch me slipping. Man, you know about the business. Just know that I've been in it for a minute, for a grip. I sell a brick, tell a bitch I am never fucking going to sell a bit. I sell a brick. Hella shit. I said, I'm telling you now that I'm motherfucking hellbound. Thought so evil, it would probably make hell proud. These niggas in your life are fake, I just call them hellhounds.
Call them fucking hellhounds.
Look, I'm smoking weed every day. I'm praying for a change, but the things are just the same every day. Got these problems in my head. I've been chilling in the streets, a lot of people want me dead. I've been fucking up my life, there ain't no going back. I just hope you really motherfucking focus and notice that. Never going back to the old me. I'm sitting here smoking on this fucking OG. Y'all niggas acting like you're my damn homie. But in reality, you don't even know me. I blow trees just to cope. I smoke everywhere I fucking go. I've been staying on the low. Why the cops they stay patrolling? I'm rolling, I'm steady smoking. This potion grow by the ocean. This potent, it was grown right by the ocean. I'm focused, my gun clips stay loaded and then reloaded. After I empty the clip and empty the shit in your head, I don't really give a shit. I've been going crazy, telling you in the head. I've been fucked up lately. Lost 3 babies, man, that shit has changed me. Never go back, I can't be the same me. Man, I can't be the same me. Everything around me is steady fucking changing. It's like I'm fucking stuck in a daydream. Man, there ain't no way I could ever be behaving. I'm breaking laws. Piss me off and I'm breaking jaws. I'm telling y'all niggas I don't fuck with y'all. Y'all undercover. Y'all niggas fake. When we sitting at the table, I'm just eating with these snakes. Guess it's over.